An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or set of rules designed to solve a specific problem or accomplish a particular task. It is a fundamental concept in computer science and mathematics, serving as a blueprint for solving complex problems efficiently and systematically. In essence, an algorithm provides a clear and unambiguous sequence of instructions that, when followed correctly, leads to the desired outcome. It is a computational procedure that takes input data and performs a series of operations or calculations to produce an output or solve a problem. Algorithms can be found in various aspects of our daily lives, from simple tasks like making a cup of coffee to complex processes like internet search engines or DNA sequencing. They underpin the functionality of computer programs, software applications, and technological systems. Algorithms are characterized by their efficiency and effectiveness. An efficient algorithm is one that solves a problem using the fewest possible resources, such as time, memory, or computational power. Effectiveness refers to the ability of an algorithm to produce correct results consistently. There are different types of algorithms, each designed to address specific types of problems. Some common categories include sorting algorithms, e.g., bubble sort, merge sort, searching algorithms, e.g., binary search, graph algorithms, e.g., Dijkstra's algorithm, and optimization algorithms, e.g., genetic algorithms. The design and analysis of algorithms involves several key considerations. These include understanding the problem at hand, devising a solution strategy, breaking down the problem into smaller subproblems, determining the appropriate data structures and operations, and evaluating the algorithm's efficiency and correctness. Algorithms can be implemented in various programming languages, and their effectiveness can be measured by factors such as time complexity, how the algorithm's performance scales with input size, and space complexity, how much memory or storage the algorithm requires. The study of algorithms is a significant area of research and development in computer science. Researchers continuously strive to develop new algorithms that are more efficient, solve complex problems, and optimize various aspects of computing. It is important to note that algorithms are not limited to computer science alone. They can be applied in various fields, including mathematics, engineering, finance, healthcare, and logistics, to name a few. The principles of algorithmic thinking, such as breaking down problems into manageable steps, can be valuable in problem-solving and decision-making processes. In summary, an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or set of rules that solves a problem or accomplishes a task. It provides a systematic approach to problem solving and serves as a blueprint for efficient and effective computation. Algorithms play a fundamental role in computer science and have applications across various domains, driving technological advancements and enabling us to solve complex problems in a structured and systematic manner.